Welcome to the North America Math Contest Go. Today we are doing an insane challenge. We are going to see how many wordle that we can solve within an hour. I'm going to say that we are going to begin it. Okay. As you can see, the 1 hour timer has already begun. So we are going to start solving it. You know that the most traditional way that we are going to do it is just by searching some of the wordy, right? We know that usually a word it won't start. Kiss, go easy, I do know. Jinx, you know that there's a word called jinx. I know that his idea will jinx me. But is this even not a word? Like jinx is a verb, it plus an S. It's just insane. Wordle bad wordle. Okay. So let's start talking about ghost. I think we should have a try on it. So we can see that there's only, after we try the first 10 words, there's only one word that is correct. So it's bad, right? Let's try the third word, balls. So we can find that there's 2 L and an S. So it's interesting, the location. Spell. I know. Spell. What? I know. It's definitely it. So I have to explain why it's those won 2 and lost 1, because in my first video, I tried to film it, but it's starting on 1. I tried to film once, but my order is starting on word archive 1 instead of word archive 252. So therefore, this difference in order would make a difference. So we will consider as it 1 win, 0 loss. When you guys calculate how many wins I actually get, it just -1 for the win and -1 for the loss. Okay. Now let's try the 251's one. As you can see, the timer is still running. You should know that this is the only fun thing that. Let's try some of the word first. Candy. Ghost. Wait, that unfortunate? Kippy. Queen. Try this. Queen. Queer. You know this word? Queer. Do you know this word? Queer. Okay, you can see that those words, none of them existed. D. Fiber, right? No, fiber is not a word. Kai. Fiber is a word, but it's just bad. Weep. Is it weeps? Dike. Nope. Is this a word? Dike? Dike is a word, but it's just not that perfect. Kite, kid. Kid is a 3-letter word, right? Kid, bit, bites. Try this. Bits. I'm that unfortunate. Okay, you can see that my nature of unfortunacy gives me a Fido. Have we tried this one? Fido. That should be a word. Literally, I prove that this should be a word. Fido must be a word. Fido. Bidden. No, that's not right. Bidden is not a right word. It's used. Bidden is used for V. It is V. Zip. zip though. Zip, zippy. Why should I try that? Like literally, okay, I can tell you responsibly that from the information that we currently obtain from here, it's impossible for us to solve the word archive at all. It's impossible for now. Jai, G, 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 die? Is it die? Die? Dime? Dimes. No, it's not the right word. Dimo. Dike. It must not be started from here, right? So the only way that it can be started is I is here, D is here. So the second letter is I and the fifth letter is going to be D. So let's think about the word. F-I-L, filmed. She, try this word. Fike. Fidge. 5. Fimk. Is this a word? Whim. Let's try this. Whim. Wix. With Wix.com, you can try anything you want. Sorry about the ad moment. Wix. Wife. Is this? Wimfed. Kimmed. Is it possible that it's might be dual words? Yeah, there's a possibility. So we met. Try this. Kimmed. Limit. Jimit. Fake it. Kick it. Vivid. What the frick? I literally get it right at the last moment. So I literally get it right at the last moment, which is vivid. But I remember that problem does exist before, isn't it? Like it exists before, shouldn't it? I can't remember, but I remember I have do a problem like this, vivid. So let's try yesterday's problem. Because like we should consider the time now. Look at how like late the time currently is. I just don't want to like make myself get reported by the people living above, and then I will lose the privilege of living in this house and have to be on streets. Like if that happened, you would only see me on streets. The cruel reality of IB students. Wait, but how does this relate to IB students? Okay, I try to blame everything at here. So let's try this. Wordle, Archive 250. Let's try some of words. So this one is not a word. Ghost. We don't know. O and E. That's a weird combination. O-E. Bromy. Is this a word? Bromy. Bromo. Bromy. Bromy. Is this a word? Because you know there's a word called bro. Oh, it's actually a word. So it's biome. No, it's not biome. Let's try this. Biome. Block. Now let's try the 251. 259. So as you can see, the time that we are currently experiencing is 10 minutes, which means that 10 minutes has been passed. So now let's try this puzzle. A video of 249 is going to be the I'm going to try some words first. Ghost, right? Toma. I don't know whether like typing Japanese they recognize Japanese words. Do they? Toma. They don't. Itomi. Is this a word? It doesn't recognize it. You know, we usually call this something called cultural appropriation. Yeah. Sometimes it's just we don't stop being politic. I mean, stop being focused on that. Our main goal is still to solve the wordle archive. Let's see how many. Let's see. Okay, so ghost. Bio file. Let's try some other word. Candy. So here's the current situation if you want to know. So it's candy, milks. I'm going to try some other words. Milk. Look at this. Am I that unfortunate? Like, literally, I shouldn't be that unfortunate. O-N-T, right? C-O-U-G, about. Is it? Let's try some other word. We haven't tried you, right? Let's try this. About. That unfortunate? Froze. Trough. Let's try this. Trough. I literally get it right. Like, literally. I started this thought. It actually is. Like, I can't be that fortunate, right? I can't be that fortunate. I just thought that trough is a possibility, but it's right. It's just life is surprising. If that luck happens to me when I'm doing the IB final exam, I will be so happy. Okay, never mind. We are literally ranting about everything. So let's talk about the wordle archive. 248. So again, we are going to use the way. As last time, first, ghost. So we know it's hot. Is there a word that like this? We already have information that can help us deduce, right? Toho. I don't think this letter word that starts with THO, right? There's no word that starts with THO. So it's hot. XSPO. It might be a combination like this. The last four letters it might be like this. Sorry, it should be this. Let's change this. No, it doesn't have the Seahawks. But hot, it's not right. So we literally eliminated hot. Now it's just me trying to attempting everything. Too hot, it doesn't write right. So RHOT doesn't fit any criteria. Now we should try other cases like the last 4 letters ends with HOTR. I'm going to try the location of T first. So you can see that T must be here. So the first 2 letters must be Tho. So, right? It must be like this. Song, song. I know. So we successfully solving the fourth one, which is we have 42 minutes and 29 seconds left. You know that as time passes, our concentration and like our strength will be like diminished, especially like given the fact that I'm holding my camera, like I'm not using a stapler. It will be much more tired. Okay, so now let's try it again. Ghost. Okay, candy. Home. So. THOR. 然后 hotel, quatar. I'm trying some words. What the freak? Like literally. So, because that's pretty interesting. So, I'm going to try this combination. E. So the 5 letters, that is THORE, right? So the 5 letters that we know is THORE. And the 4th letter must be E. Now it's just a combination of the rest of the 3. Road. Cereal. Is this a word? No, that does not fit. Cereal. I think we can already determine the word by pure analysis. So we know that based on observation, we know that T can only be here. So T must be the second one. So some T, some E, some. So the second letter is T, and the 4th letter is E, right? And then we know that R, H, and O. From here, we cannot deduce the exact location of H, O, and R just based on those letters. But we can have an approximate letter. An approximate guess. HT, it is impossible for HT to be the first 2 letters. So therefore, H can only be here. So if H is in the second, H might be here and H might be here. So this is H. And O, on the other hand, it's impossible to be here. It's less likely. O here, it's also likely here. Also likely here. I can try. RTH seal. Is this a word? Okay, this is not. RTH. OEH. So this is not the word. So we know that R must not be here. Therefore, we have to make some other guesses. So we know H is not here, R is not here, so O must be here. Otome. Do they recognize Japanese word? No, they don't. So other. Like literally, this could be put into a meme. Like it's just a meme that a student cannot identify other and have to use multiple times of attempt in order to identify. That should be a meme. That could be in a meme, like literally. That could be in a meme. So now let's try the second one. It's just like someone saying the uneducatedness who, like me, the people who is me, like doesn't even know the word. Like other, I can't even identify the word other and have to use it by combinatorics. Like literally, that could be put in a meme. Like that's true, can be put in a meme. Now let's try it. 246 ghost. Okay, candy. Chant. Why should you attempt the second one? This A and T and C must be here. Facet. Is this a word? Facet. Not a facet. So now let's see what's the other words. Tacit. Do you know this word? Tacit. I get it. I'm so fortunate. So after we have now done I have done 6 problems and all of them is correct and done within 6 attempts. And the time currently have is 36 minutes. So now we are going to try the 245. First it. Candy is 2 ghosts. Shant. It's more focused. Shiny man. Shiny man. Slimy. Okay, slimy. Soils. Is it? Soils. IL. Let's see the word. So it's impossible. Skill. Is this a word? Skill. Swell. So currently in our first 7 attempts, we have identified 6 correct problems and one wrong problem. In fact, like this shouldn't be a mistake, shouldn't be a problem that I made. Never mind. It's completely reasonable for me to get skill instead of swill. But it's just luck. Again, we are going to use the last time to try candy ghost. DOG. GOD. God. And dog. Doges? Doge? It's actually a word. Doji. Douch. Is this a word? Douch. Deutsch. 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 Is this a word? Deutsch. Doji. Sorry. So it must be. So we know that the do something ge case is not possible. Now we're going to try the xeg case. Deutsch. 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 Direct. Dofag. So I think it's Dojag. Domag. Dobag. Dozag. None of them is possible, right? So therefore we have to do a Deutsch. Dofag. So we know that EG is not word. DOE something G. We can try the case DOE something G, right? Dorag, Doeg, Doyug, Dopag, EG, Domatch, Donatch, Dobadge, Dolash, Dojadge, Dodadge. No, it's impossible. Dodge. All I need to do is just to start from R and type them. I get it, dodge. Like, how come I can't even think of dodge? Like, that's just a pretty simple word, but why can't I think about it? Just like last time, like I spent 2 minutes analyzing the possibility, but can't find out that the word is other. Like, literally, I should actually be putting onto a meme. Like, meme, real meme, not the... I should actually be treated as a meme, true. So now I try this 251. So right now, time has already passed about 30 minutes. Let's try Doges. What has a word? Candy. Is this a word? Yes. Salu. Candy. Haste. No. Shame. Shame. It's not shame. Okay, so the thing that I need to do is I only need to try every single letter one by one. It's not QE, it's not WE, it's not EE. What the hell am I doing? Like, literally, share. It's not share, right? So it's shy, shap, shoy, shash. Is this a word? Shash. It might be the possibility, you know? Share. So it might be here. UE, IE, P. We can only call this type of action unfortunate. Shake. See, K, right? Shake. I literally guessed 3 times straight, like, God. Previous one. So now after that, we have 7 times success and 2 times failure. So which means that our valid turns is going to be 7 times. Now let's try this one. First, candy. Cachet. Is this the word cachet? Yes. Kaku, kako, Cali, Kami, camel. I know camel. No, camel is not the right word. Camel, cabin is also not correct. Calig, no, calug, caper, no, capo. Let's try this. Camel. Cow. Calco. Clip. Clig. Caply. Cow. Is there a word that starts with cow? Calcium. Calci. Calcu. Calgu. Calu. Calorimeter. Kellogg. Right? Cop. Caco. Cabe. Caque. No, it's not right. Capel. So I think I should be more inclined to this. Cow, right? Cow XB. Cowboy. Cowzu. Cow. Cache we have attempted. Cage. But it does not include L, right? Cable. I know. Cable. Oh, bad. CACL. I have to use the cheating time for the first time, and it's the only time. Like 5-letter word starts with, I will never do that again, like literally. Let's start with CACL. If I don't do it, like it will become an endless stalemate, but calca, calba, calci, calco, calca, calba. I have to, like, I can't obtain a valuable result from. Wait, okay, never mind. I forget the precondition that it must be starting L, okay. That's me stupid. Okay, capital, caplo, catholic, capel. Okay, that's not right, okay. Catholic, cowlo, cowlip, colics, calic. No, it doesn't. Calic, calup. Cassie, caclo, caclu, cacla, cacly. I literally get it right. Calc. Because I even don't know what it means, like calc, what it means. So due to our, I don't know, timely spent on the trying of the word article, now we only have 21 minutes and 15 seconds left. And we still have more problems to solve. So we have to work hard and try our best. Ghost. Bio. Zhong. Chroma. You know that there's a word that ends at OMA? So chroma. Trauma. It is only trauma, right? OMA. Bowl. Show. That should be me. Is it right? Nope. Proma. Froma. Roma. Poema. But I already used once. I can't do that again. I'm not unethical. I should be ethical. Woman. It might be word repeatance. Chroma, kumi, biome. Ryoma, Roma. I remember there's a word that's lasted with Luma, Muma, Puma. There's a word that ends with this. Fuma, Suma, Kuma, Luma, Roima, Puama, Luma, Zuma, Luma, Juma, aloof. Oh, that is not with Lu. RM, Roma. So it must be, the last 4 digits must be Roma, right? Roma, something Roma. Koroma, Waroma, Roroma. No, it's not right. Uroma. It's not even a word, right? Oroma, Paroma, Aroma. I get it. Aroma. It's another word that I don't know the definition. In the previous video, we have encountered the sudden issue that I accidentally clicked the sound button and it got shut off. So therefore, we are going to start it again. I mean, continue, not start again. Now the time left is 16 seconds, minutes and 50 seconds. 240. Candy. Cynic. Oh, I'm that lucky. I'm literally so lucky that this time. 239. Candy. Ghost. Oh, okay. Nope. Pro. On. Dong. Broom. Blue. Glue. Maloo. Clue. It must be on, right? Trial. Brian. Cryon. Varial. Candy ghost. CH. No, it's not valuable. IRON. Iron. Siron. I know. So it must be I, is it? Iron. Chiron. Lyron. Pyro. Diron. Viron. Hyron. I, R, O, N are 4 different letters here. I will need to try something to determine the specific location. Okay, we can see, so we can draw a conclusion that the 5 letters respectively are B, R, I, O, N. And the last letter is N. Ribbon, 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 ribbon. Okay, never mind. ORN is not here. So the ORN is not the third digits, right? So the only possible location for the third digit is I. So it's something, something, something I, something N. Right? Brian. Is this a word? But I mean, is it right? Brian. Second digit is impossible to be I, R, and I, right? R and I. So therefore it's not either R and I, so it must be B, O, O. Boy. O must not be here, right? So, no, it's third digit. 天哪，我把这段搞混了。B-I-O-N. So B must not be. Third digit is here, so it's not N-O-R-O. So it's I. Something, 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 I, something, N. Right. B is not here, not the first digit, so therefore the first digit can only be R and O, right? Ruby, Rubin, Roybon. So it's not R, therefore it's only O. So Auburn. That's not B and that's not O. Is it? It's not B, right? B-R-I-O-N. We know the last digit must be N. And the third digit cannot be either N or R, so it must only be I. Right? Third digit must be I. B-R-I-O-N, B-O-I-R-N, R-O-B-I-N. Robin. I get it, 13 wings. So now you can see that the time has already gone 15 minutes and we are going to try the next puzzle. Let's see. Candy. Ghost. Tacit. KT. T is here. Rotten. Roads. bit, betil, bitim, bitip, bitic, bitib, bit, bit, little, litter, no, litter, I mean that litter, literary, no, it's not litter. If it's litter, then it's wrong. If it's litter, then it's wrong. Lira, ultra. Is it ultra? I don't know why I'm that fortunate. Like, literally ultra. I just thought about that word. It's imaginable that is right. So now we have 7 minutes, and then we are trying to solve one more. Okay, 237. Candy ghost. C. Cipher. Sipip. No, say C doesn't start at here, okay? First, try this first. CR. Prick. Cream. No, not cream. Okay, it's not cream. Raccoon. Reco. 5 minutes. MC, milk. Macau. Is it Macau? No, Muku. Surrey. No. Zebra. Raccoon. No. E is not here. So R-E might be here. So it's not C, right? Sir. Bison. I know. Sir. Looser. Sir, okay. Juicer. Time is limited. Muser. Looser. Cuser. user, 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 juicer, loser, user, suxer, muser, musy, muser. Oh, it's CRE, okay. Loser, muser, muser, LCR. What? Loser, lumiser, juicer. Limit 3 minutes. Suser. C 不在这，是在这 rice. I give up. Look at this word. I just have no idea what it is. We have 2 minutes and we can do some last attempt. Candy, ghost. False. Bombs. Two minutes. Casse. Masse. Boss. Box. Bakes. Bars. Parse. Pause. 1 minute. We would have to try another one. "40 seconds. Houses. House. Hiker. ，Huber. Humor. Time up. So we ended up solving in the last minute and we ended up getting 14 problems right and 3 problems wrong. Right, 3 problems wrong. So here we come to the end of our challenge and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye bye.